I wander, it's trouble I find, but that ain't a bad thing all of the time. 'Cause there's nothing like trouble to occupy your mind. Now I pulled into Nashville, I was busted, broken flat. Tumbling in front of me, the hounds were at my back. And just then I heard the rattle of a train car down the tracks. She was going way too fast for me to ride the line, so I threw my bag up on the deck and scrambled on behind. I rode across that river bridge and waved on down the line. 'Cause wherever I wander, it's trouble I find. That ain't a bad thing all of the time. There's nothing like trouble to occupy your mind. Now I don't mind the sorrow at saying goodbye, and I don't mind the teardrops that come to my eyes. They only remind me I'm still alive. And wherever I wander, it's trouble I find. That ain't a bad thing all of the time. There's nothing like trouble to occupy your mind. Yes, sir. Sense to leave well enough alone. I wish I took a good long look down that lonesome road. 'Cause wherever I wander, it's trouble I find. That ain't a bad thing all of the time. 'Cause there's nothing like trouble to occupy your mind.